Hello guys, so today I am with Asus Zenfone 6 and I want to show you how to change keyboard language in this device. So let's start from open the settings, click on the system, now languages and input, click on the virtual keyboard and go with Gboard, and now click languages. And if you want to change languages, add another languages, because currently we have Germany, Polish, English, Bondly, click on the add keyboard, go with, for example, Adamava full day, click on it down, minimalize, go to the messages, and now if you wanna pick your language, click and hold here and just choose your language. This is full day, and now Bundeli. And as you can see, our keyboard changed. So thank you for the watching, leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.